How to check iOS version on iPhone or iPad. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to check iOS version on iPhone or iPad. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Apple makes it pretty convenient to check which version of iOS or iPad OS you have installed on your iPhone or iPad. If you need to check if your device is compatible with a particular app or accessory, or if you simply want to know what version of the OS you are currently using, then go ahead and launch the Settings application on your device and further scroll down and tap on General, and in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the About option. And now in this particular interface, under your name, you will be able to see the iOS version your device currently is on. You can also tap on the iOS version option to get a detailed information on what this version of iOS provides and does to your device. So this is how you can check iOS version on iPad or iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.